Hey everyone, welcome back to Ricksaw, your go-to channel for woodworking and tools and all things garage workshop. I'm your host, Rick, and we are going to take a look at the top 10 tools for the new homeowner. First up is the classic hammer. Every new homeowner should have a hammer in their arsenal. This is something you're going to be pounding nails into walls, hanging picture frames, a little bit of light demolition, anything around the house, you're going to need a hammer. Number 2 is a cordless drill. Go out there, get yourself a cordless drill. This is something that you are going to use all the time around the house. Multiple speeds, a hammer setting. You don't have to buy a DeWalt version. There's tons of versions out. Ryobi, Rigid, DeWalt, Makita, Milwaukee, even Harbor Freight has them as well. Get yourself a cordless drill. If you don't have the money to get a drill and impact driver, focus on the drill because this is going to do a lot for you. Next up on our list is a screwdriver. All right, I happen to have a battery operated screwdriver, multiple different settings. I use this for installing light fixtures, for installing outlet covers. You can get the ones that have all of the screws in the back, and if you check out my other video, the top small tools that fit in the palm of your hand, I have a stubby screwdriver in that video with a bunch of bits that are easily located in the handle. I definitely recommend getting yourself one of those, or if you have the funds after buying your new house, get yourself one of these battery operated screwdrivers. This one specifically is gyroscopic, meaning that if I hold the power button down and turn one way or the other, it will rotate the direction that I turn. Next on our list is the tape measure. Whether you're setting up furniture and need to measure a distance wall to wall to make sure it's center, or marking before you make a cut on any material, a tape measure is going to be your friend. You are going to use this around your house a lot more than you think. A picture frame and you want to make it center on the wall, tape measure is going to be your friend. Definitely have one of these in your toolkit. Next on our list, a utility knife. This one is an open blade. I don't really recommend these if you have small children around. Get one of those blades that go back into the handle. This is just one that I have laying around in the workshop that I use in the workshop specifically. But these are great for opening packages, cutting out anything you want, cutting open labels. Get yourself a utility knife. Next on the list, pliers. Get yourself a good set of pliers. Pliers are essential for gripping things, twisting wires, getting nails out of wood or walls. You're gonna often go to a set of pliers for all those tasks where you just need to get a better grip on something. So definitely get yourself a set of pliers. Next on our list is a level. This is a DeWalt level, but there are many different levels out there. Stabila makes a really great level as well. Having a level around the house is going to be key to the success of making sure that everything you build, install, or do to your home is level. Another option besides a level is going to be a laser level. Those are really handy for making sure pictures are straight across a room or tying in things all over the wall or your room. So definitely pick up a level. Speaking of hanging pictures, you are going to want to get a stud finder. A stud finder is going to come in handy when you want to install a TV, hang a TV on a wall, install a very heavy picture. Stud finders are great for finding the studs and load-bearing locations within your wall to be able to mount something heavy to. All right, so as you locate the stud in the wall, you will see the red dots pop up, and those will indicate where the stud is located. All right, so stud finder, super handy for finding load-bearing locations in a wall when you need to mount something. Next on the list is an adjustable wrench. An adjustable wrench is super great for tightening nuts and bolts that you may not have a socket set for. A really great, versatile tool to have around your home. Last on the list is some quality safety gear. Get yourself some eye protection and hearing protection to protect yourself from loud noises and anything that could get in your eyes. Definitely something you want to have around your home as a new homeowner. All right, protect your investment and protect yourself. There you have it, the top 10 tools every new homeowner needs in their toolkit. These are essential items that you should have around your house. And if you like what you see here and want to catch more of our top 10 videos, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified the next time we drop a video.